So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can toggle all effects on or off instantly on Premiere Pro timeline. Now for example, this is the timeline and I have applied multiple effects. Let's say on this particular video clip here, you can see I have applied multiple effects on this clip itself, like warp stabilizers and automatically removers and etc. So if I want to toggle all of them together just by one click, all you need to do is to just simply click on this option right there, that is like fx written over there. Just simply press over there. Now once you do it, right click over there and here click on this option. Let's say if you want you'll find out all the effects right there. Now click over there and here under this effects panel you'll see this option of toggle effect on or off. Just simply tap over there. Now once you do it, you'll notice that that particular effect have been removed from the video playback, and by this method you can easily toggle on and off all the effects instantly on Premiere timeline. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.